Hello, we're just going to demonstrate now how to go through the setup process with a brand new iPad out of the box using AirWatch. So this is an iPad that has been set up through, has been registered in DEP, Apple's DEP program, and then so is recognized in AirWatch, and we've set it up. We've set up a user, so we just go through the setup process with the prompts and select our country, Canada, and we're going to choose network to set up, and I'm just going to put my password in here. And let's block that and hit join. So we just go through all the prompt screens. You can set up which prompt screens to come up and not to come up in your AirWatch management system. So we've asked for location services, so we're going to say enable location services, and then we get to this screen that'll say Hamilton Wentworth CDSB will automatically configure your iPad. That's because this has been registered through our device enrollment program. So we're going to hit next, and we should get a prompt now for a username and a password, and I'm just going to put my username in because I registered myself as a user. And my password, and hit the next button. And if I've done that correctly, then we should it should start to configure. And there we go. So it's now being configured by the Hamilton Wentworth Catholic District School Board profiles and whatever was set up. And I'm just going to say to sign in with Apple ID here so that my apps start to download. So I'm just going to take this away for a second and then hit next. And we come up to our terms and conditions that can be modified however you like in AirWatch. I'm just going to tap on agree and agree. And then it just takes a couple of minutes to set up your Apple ID. And we should see our beginning screen. There we go. And we're not going to use iCloud on this device. Don't use. And we're going to set up Touch ID later. We don't want that. And continue. And we're not going to add a passcode to this device. Continue. And we are going to use Siri. And we're going to get started. And here we are, and you'll see right away that you've got the catalog. And I'm just going to, so this is part one. I'm going to do part two and show you what this will look like on the in the next video. So say dismiss, and actually we'll just show you here. So to go to another video, you can see that the apps that I've assigned to Leverton T are appearing on the iPad and starting to download. Allow app assignment. Continue. Yes, I want the app assignment, and so this iPad will be ready. I'll be doing a few tweaks in our settings, mainly to do with our accessibility features. And it's just asking me to sign in. So that's all there is to it.